Hello and welcome to another From a Poly Perspective, a new show produced by Pacific Islanders for Pacific Island people. My name is Margarita Satini and we are now here at the Po Hiva Interfaith Kilisimasi at 4660 West, 5015 South. Tonight's event features a wonderful array of Tongan choirs of all faith, hosted by the National Tongan American Society. The event is just another way to feel the spirit of Christmas from representatives of our own families and cultures. This event has been around for several years and has been hosted by the National Tongan American Society and has brought together so many different faiths, but all of the same, Pacific Islander group. So it's pretty awesome to see the different faiths gathering together under one roof to share, their message through music. Seems like December was the month to share if whether you had any artistic abilities, whether it's music, original art, photography. November 18th, there was a Pacific Island Heart Healthy Art Show. It was sponsored by Lele, Queen Center, UPIHC, and Paul Soliai Foundation. This was held November 18th at the Utah Cultural Celebration Center. The featured artists were Leki, Talihafoka, Ofafonua, Alisi Magafi, and Jacob Konarika. It's pretty awesome to see some of these arts being displayed and being recognized. It's been a real pleasure to see some of this talent coming out of the woodworks. One of the artists that I'm really familiar with is Alisi Magafi, completely an abstract artist, and her work is awesome. So if you are interested in seeing what kind of art that they're into, go and look them up on Facebook, and you should be able to have an opportunity to take a peek at what it is they're all about. On Thanksgiving Day, there was the annual Rose Park versus Glendale Turkey Bowl. The final score was Glendale 19, and as heartbroken as I am to say this, Rose Park was a 0. The MVPs were Vili Ngata and Mike Ika. And this is something that's been going on for many, many years, and every single year it seems like the crowd just gets bigger and bigger. People look forward to this. And at first when I found out about the Turkey Bowl, I thought they were little kids. They're not. It's the old men. So, it gives them something to live for. I have some advice for you guys. Stop drinking kava the month before. Thanks to the MC Sione Havili and event organizers Fina Halai and Ame Mohi, Channel 2 and Fox 13 did an excellent job of covering the event. Last but not least, on December 13th, we caught up with local nonprofit fitness group EMZ for EMZ's Got Talent. For the first time, EMZ participants taught the whole hour Zumba class. Some of the participants learned how difficult it is, and then others just simply had a blast. If any of you have any news, events, or ads that you would like Poly1 Media to share, please hit us up on poly1media@gmail.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Other than that, from all of us to you, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We're here at the Po Hiva Interfaith musical. Is that what it is? Is it a musical? What? What's going on? My number? Oh, you want to call me? I'm just kidding.
You know what I mean? I love it.
To the grind, what are the
Rolled out of bed.
Like a Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, y'all. All right. Hey!